In fact, the NCB, Priyanka, has now sought Aryan's and the two other remand arrested people's custody till 13th of October. That's the latest coming in from the NCB.
Well, absolutely, Richa. These are breaking developments that our colleague is getting from inside of the courtroom. That ASG Anil Singh, who is representing the NCB, has sought for more custody, and not just 1 or 2 days as it was suspected, but till 13th of October. This really goes to show how much in depth they really want to interrogate Aryan Khan as well, and how much do they suspect Aryan Khan's involvement in this supplying and consumption of illicit substances on board of this cruise ship inside of this rave party that had been going on. Now, NCB expecting that custody to be extended till 13th October is something that is very, very serious for Aryan Khan, and also goes to show which direction the investigation of the NCB will also take, and not just Aryan Khan but also the other accused who have been presented in the court, who will be sought custody of, so that an interrogation, a thorough interrogation by the NCB can be carried out. It really goes to show that we have some more information, and the NCB officials are right now saying that they had conducted raids, as we had been bringing to our viewers. The NCB had conducted raids and they had seized more illicit substances like cocaine as well. This is being put forth by the NCB inside of the court right now. They are claiming that there were multiple raids, as we had been bringing these developments to our viewers as well, that there were multiple raids that had been carried out inside, in and around Mumbai as well, and that is why they want more custody of these accused, so that they can investigate all aspects of this. And NCB has also breaking developments that we're getting from our colleague Alisha inside of the courtroom is that NCB has arrested more people, is something that is being put forth in the argument inside of the court. And they are saying, as we had been claiming, Richa, that they need the custody to unearth the nexus. As we had been bringing this development to our viewers, Mr. Pradhan from NCB, the NCB chief in Delhi, had also said that this is not just about an isolated incident, but they will be unearthing an entire nexus with respect to this entire investigation, and that's exactly what is being put forth in the arguments that are being made by the NCB for seeking an extension of the remand custody of Aryan Khan as well, Richa.
In fact, Priyanka and Yesha, the NCB right now in that argument is also stating that their WhatsApp chats clearly show that there is a nexus, and after which the NCB conducted those searches. They also stated that so we need their custody to further unearth this nexus. And Shivani, that is what's being stated, in fact, stated again and again by the NCB, that this is certainly part of a larger nexus that they're looking at.
Exactly, Richa. That's what we've been telling the viewers also, because the statements that have been coming out from the NCB, they clearly say that they had inputs, they were working on them. They then went inside this cruise ship, wherein they found enough evidence. They found these contrabands in the luggage of people. They brought them. They did not arrest them immediately. Remember, they detained them first. They wanted to get assured of what inputs they had got. And after that, they were detained. They were arrested. And first, 3 people were arrested, including Aryan Khan, who were then taken to the Killa court yesterday. And today also, the NCB is saying that they have enough evidences to prove that there lies a larger nexus. There are more people in connection with this big racket, the drug racket. And that's why they need the custody of Aryan Khan and 2 others.
And Shivani, we have some more inputs now coming in, breaking news coming in from the court now. Going across to Yesha for this as well, that NCB now stating that Aryan Khan's phone has been seized, and there are several suspected chats which show the connection with drug dealers. The chats also show the discussions of cash transactions of Aryan Khan as well. This is certainly big and important. Yesha.
Yes, Richa, of course, this is one of the biggest revelations that has come in, because yesterday it was mentioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the court that there were several incriminating evidences that were found in the WhatsApp chats. However, there was no details as to what these incriminating evidences are. But now clearly it's been mentioned that there are details of cash transactions and also connects with some drug dealers that they've found in Aryan Khan's WhatsApp chats. Now, let us understand that there were several raids which took place on the basis of information that they received after the raids on Saturday, which is when we had seen that the NCB further went on to conduct more raids, and one particular person named Shreyas Nair was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau yesterday. Now, it can possibly be that this was the link that the Narcotics Control Bureau was talking about, because on the basis of information received after the raid,
in fact,
was where several raids took place.
Sorry to interrupt you there. And the NCB also stating in that argument that it is necessary to confront all of them, all the arrested accused in the custodial remand, because there are possible international transactions as well. Further probe is underway, they state, and that's why they are seeking more custody for the same purposes. That's the latest coming in from the court, Yesha.
That's right. So now we've seen that the NCB lawyer had clearly stated that he wanted the custody of Aryan Khan until October 13th. Now, this is what he's talking about is a larger nexus when he's saying there's an international connection to it, which is why the probe needs to take place. Because we already know that there was confrontation that was to take place. That was confrontation between Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and two drug peddlers that was to take place. Following which there were more arrests that took place yesterday, as well as there have been more detainees that have been brought inside the NCB office today as well. So in that context, they've also linked, that is the NCB has also linked the WhatsApp chats conversation to some of the drug dealers. That is what's being found by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Apart from that, they've also spoken cash transactions, because let us understand that when Aryan Khan was taken into custody, the Narcotics Control Bureau had clearly mentioned that 1.33 lakh worth cash was also found with him. So now the NCB is trying to understand the entire angle, including his connection with drug dealers, with drug peddlers, and which is what they want to interrogate further as well, which is why they've been asking for Aryan Khan's further custody until October 13th, because yesterday they were only asked for custody for 2 days, wherein they had said that they just wanted to confront him with the other drug peddlers. But now, considering more evidences have come out in open, the Narcotics Control Bureau is asking for a further custody. Yes.
All right, stay with us, Yesha. And Priyanka, coming to you now, because more information coming in from the court where Alisha is tracking those developments. The NCB also stating that they were arrested when the cruise was going from Mumbai, and they have now made some more arrests of various other people who are part of a group. And they also speak about how there are international transactions for which they need their custodial remand so that they can confront them with those drug peddlers as well. Priyanka.
Well, this becomes more serious now for Aryan Khan, because we are looking at these allegations, these statements, arguments made by the NCB inside of the court, talking about international transactions as well. This is the information that we had been bringing to you before as well, on our basis of our sources, that we had been told that Aryan Khan in fact had been involved, and there were several financial transactions that the NCB had also been investigating into. And yesterday they had said that there is incriminating WhatsApp chats that NCB has accessed from these gadgets that were seized from these accused as well. So now, taking that into consideration, and the argument that is being put forth by the NCB really goes to show that they are trying to investigate this further. And as we speak, Alisha is bringing us developments, and all of them really saying that the NCB is putting up arguments that there were raids that had been carried out, there were suppliers that had been raided, and there were commercial quantity of illicit substances as well that had been seized as well.